Okay, the comms room, Tim.
Comms room!
So we have 5 orange Cat 5e for the cameras and 8 Cat 6 for all the data. Now, the orange ones go along there. So this one goes to the back door, which is up there, coming out through there. The camera will have to come out through there. Then we have the laundry door. Laundry door 1 is through there. That'll be facing down this way. Back through the laundry. We have the cables running along there. That's to the garage and to the front door. The garage one runs across that beam there, down into there. We can see it running across there. And it goes out through there, up to there. Now that is going to face down that way. And then we have the front door. The front door one runs along with the garage one, along in the girders there, across there, and out through there. And right there. So we'll pick it up on the ceiling there, have to do a hole. So there we go. And that will be facing out this way. And there we go.